Looking for fresh IKEA finds to update your home? In this video, we're exploring a selection of new IKEA products designed to make everyday life more practical, comfortable, and stylish. From smart storage solutions to decorative pieces and kitchen essentials, these new arrivals bring thoughtful design and versatility to every room. 1. PÅVEFINK. This hand-plaited bamboo lantern adds warmth and texture to your home, especially in the evening. Its generous size makes it ideal for floor placement, while the inner glass insert protects the bamboo from heat. Each lantern is unique, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. 2. KUSTHOPPARE. This sturdy light orange cutting board is designed for everyday kitchen tasks. Gentle on knives and stable during use, it's ideal for chopping fruit, vegetables, or serving cold cuts. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean, it brings both practicality and a pop of color to your kitchen. 3. SMYCKA. This artificial magnolia flower offers lasting beauty indoors or outdoors without maintenance. The bendable stem lets you adjust its shape, while the realistic design works beautifully alone or in a bouquet. Made with at least 50% recycled plastic, it's a flexible and sustainable decor choice. 4. SMÖRFISK. This light turquoise glass carafe combines function with decorative appeal. Its narrow neck ensures a comfortable grip and controlled pouring, making it practical for water or juice. It also works beautifully as a vase, adding a fresh and playful touch to your table or interior. 5. FEJKA. This wall-mounted artificial plant panel is an easy way to add greenery indoors or outdoors. The panels click together smoothly, allowing you to build a vertical garden without maintenance. Made from recycled plastic, it stays fresh-looking year-round and instantly livens up any wall. 6. BLÄSTÅSEN. This solid pine nightstand features a timeless design with thoughtful details. Tall, tapered legs give it an airy look and make cleaning underneath easier. With a drawer, open shelf, and cable management, it keeps essentials organized while aging beautifully over time. 7. DOFTSKÖLD. This 20-piece flatware set brings understated elegance to both everyday meals and special occasions. The matte black finish with gold-colored details feels refined, yet modern. Made of durable stainless steel, each piece offers a comfortable grip and a balanced, pleasant feel in hand. 8. TJÄRLEK. This pattern tray is perfectly sized for breakfast in bed or a relaxing coffee moment. The angled edges make it easy to carry, while the decorative floral and bunny motif adds charm. When not in use, it also works beautifully as a decorative display piece. 9. PLÖJKER. This sleek nightstand offers flexible placement, either wall-mounted or standing on the floor. The hidden drawer keeps clutter out of sight, while the raised edge on top prevents items from slipping. Integrated cable management makes it practical for lamps and charging devices. 10. OMMJÄNGE. This mouth-blown glass bowl showcases visible craftsmanship, with each piece featuring unique patterns and color variations. Inspired by Swedish folk art, it works equally well for serving or eating. Compact yet decorative, it pairs nicely with other items from the OMMJÄNGE collection. 11. BLANDA BLANK. This small stainless steel serving bowl is a true kitchen essential. Durable, lightweight, and easy to clean. It's suitable for snacks, prep, or serving. Designed to stack neatly, it saves space and can be mixed with other Blanda bowls in different sizes and materials. 12. PJÄTTERYD. This canvas picture adds depth and character to your wall thanks to its wrapped edges and deep frame. Printed on high-quality canvas, the artwork stands out visually and feels vibrant. It's easy to hang with adhesive hooks, making wall updates simple and flexible. 13. GRILLTIDER serving basket. This bright red serving basket is perfect for casual meals and BBQ favorites like fries, hot dogs, or tacos. Lightweight and dishwasher safe, it's easy to clean and store thanks to its stackable design, a fun and practical addition to outdoor or informal dining. 14. FINFÖRDELA. These flexible chopping boards make food prep cleaner and more efficient. The bendable surface allows you to slide ingredients directly into pots or bowls without spills. An anti-slip underside keeps them steady on the countertop, making them practical for fast-paced everyday cooking. 15. KVITTERA. This three-tier serving stand offers a modern twist on a classic design. The detachable plates let you adjust height and arrangement as needed. Raised edges keep food secure, making it ideal for serving pastries, fruit, or appetizers in a festive and elegant way. 16. MAJFISK. This Acacia wood utensil set is both functional and visually appealing. Gentle on nonstick cookware, it's ideal for stir-frying, turning, or serving rice. Natural variations in the wood give each piece character, and the hanging holes make storage simple and accessible. 17. KUSTHOPPARE. This compact storage box helps keep small items neatly organized, from desk supplies to electronic accessories. The lid protects contents from dust and allows for easy stacking. Designed to fit Billy bookcases, it's also suitable for bathrooms and other damp indoor areas. 18. FEJKA potted plant. This artificial lilac plant adds a fresh touch of greenery without any maintenance, ideal for low-light areas or busy homes. It stays vibrant year after year. Made with recycled plastic, it's a practical and decorative alternative to live plants indoors or outdoors. 19. GRILLTIDER serving tray. This stainless steel serving tray is designed for outdoor use and BBQ gatherings. Lightweight yet durable, it can handle hot food and rougher environments without worry. Its simple design makes it suitable for serving grilled dishes, whether at home, camping, or on excursions. 20. TJÄRLEK paper napkin. These patterned paper napkins bring a classic spring feel to your table setting. Inspired by early 1900s designs, they add charm and color to festive meals. Made from 3-ply paper, they are highly absorbent and easy to combine with matching tableware. These new IKEA products show how small details can make a big difference in your home. Whether you're refreshing your space, organizing your daily routine, or adding a touch of personality, there's something here for every style and need. Let us know which item caught your eye and stay tuned for more IKEA inspiration.